Welcome to Ben TV. This is Ben from Benjamin Franklin Plumbing. Do you have a kitchen or bathroom sink that drains slowly or is completely stopped up? The worst part, the dirty, unsanitized water with food particles floating in it. And when it does eventually drain, you're left with a nasty ring around the sink. You need to clean your sink after cleaning the dishes. I'm going to share with you the 4 steps to unclog your sink. Step 1. Partially fill your sink with water, then start plunging. Vigorously work the plunger up and down several times before quickly pulling it off the drain opening. Be careful when plunging. It's easy to slip and hurt yourself. If it's a double bowl kitchen sink, stuff a wet rag into one drain opening while you plunge the other one. If it's a bath sink, stuff the rag into the overflow hole. In both cases, the rag helps deliver the pressure directly to the clog. Step 2. If plunging didn't solve your problem, remove the sink's trap under the sink with a pipe wrench. The large threaded coupling on PVC plastic traps can often be unscrewed by hand. Empty the water from the trap into a bucket. Then make sure the trap isn't clogged. Step 3 will require that you obtain a cable auger. You'll need to remove the horizontal trap arm that protrudes from the stub out in the wall. Feed the cable into the stub out until you feel resistance. Pull out 18 inches of cable, then tighten the lock screw. Crank the handle in a clockwise direction and push forward at the same time to drive the cable farther into the pipe. While using the auger, it's important that you wear goggles and gloves and be firm and careful. It's very easy to severely injure your arm while cranking it. Step 4. Pull out another 18 inches of cable and repeat the process until you break through the blockage. If the cable bogs down or catches on something, turn the crank counterclockwise and pull back on the auger. Once the cable is clear, crank and push forward again. Step 5. Retrieve the cable and replace the trap arm and trap. Don't be too forceful. You may crack them if they're made from PVC. Turn on the hot water faucet to see if the sink drains properly. Debris from the busted clog sometimes settles into a loose blockage. Partially fill your sink once more with hot water and use your plunger to clear that extra debris. Follow up with more hot water. Those are the 4 steps to clearing a clogged sink. You may need to do this once a year. Once a sink begins clogging, the problem usually will resurface. Please do not be tempted to use those drain cleaners from the store. Many of them have harsh chemicals that eat the inside of your pipes, eventually causing leaks. If you encounter any troubles on unclogging your sinks, we're standing by to help. Give us a call. We can even share with you how to keep that drain permanently cleared. You can always count on receiving 100% satisfaction with Benjamin Franklin Plumbing, guaranteeing you that if there's any delay, it's you we pay. This is Ben from Benjamin Franklin Plumbing and Ben TV. Until next time, be safe out there.